Jersey City, New Jersey, and we're with Dr. Halthore, and we're going to be talking about all things dentistry and wellness. Hello.
Hi, Donna. Welcome to Grove Dental Center. How are you today?
Wonderful. So you have a practice that has a combined two things that work integratedly together. What is it that you have?
That's right. So I am Dr. Halthore. I'm a dentist and also wellness-focused aesthetic provider. So I've been doing dentistry from past 20 years. Recently have expanded into non-invasive facial and body treatments, and our little wellness wing here is called Inform Wellness.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
What made you decide to start that? Was it your own journey of aging where you said, you know what, I don't really want to have plastic surgery? Was it your own personal reason you wanted to do it?
A little bit of everything.
Okay.
So like I said, I've been helping people with their teeth problems, fixing their smile, taking them out of pain for over 20 years. But you know, down the road, I realized it's not just fixing teeth. In this day and age, everybody has stress, anxiety, and tension. And all this leads to inflammation, lack of sleep, tension. So oral health is definitely a gateway to overall health, but fixing teeth just doesn't cut it.
Okay.
So I wanted to incorporate wellness, and you know, a true dentist is actually a doctor, engineer, and an artist.
Yes.
So the doctor in me always wanted to go beyond teeth and incorporate wellness into my office, and here we go.
So having nice teeth, right, help you have a pretty face, a pretty smile, but it's not just teeth. What are some of the other things that people are dealing with today that actually are showing in their skin?
That's right. So it's not just teeth. Oral cavity is connected to the whole body. Oral health is a gateway to overall health for sure, but stress, anxiety, tension, all builds up and start showing on skin. Lack of sleep, poor mental wellness, all show up on your face. So just by fixing teeth won't cut it. So I always wanted to expand and help our patients to feel good and look good from within. So wellness was a great option. And also I'm of a philosophy, holistic approach. So body has its capacity to heal and function. We don't want to be putting any chemicals or needles to improve or enhance the function of the body. So I was really exploring into expanding into wellness at the same time, keeping it holistic. So BTL is a great company with their great innovations and technology. They have great machines which does the same. It enhances the body's function and optimizes form.
Okay. And what equipment do you have here that you're putting into play with your patients? Because you have beautiful, you've made a nice investment on the best of the best.
Yes.
So what can someone explore here?
So our main focus here is mind, body, and aesthetics. So to that end, I have a machine called EMFACE, which gently lifts and tones facial muscles. It also helps with TMJ problems.
Oh,
yeah.
I have TMJ.
Yeah. So EMFACE has two applications, the functional application and the aesthetic application.
Okay.
And then the second machine is called EXOMIND, which is for the mental wellness.
And how does that work exactly? Is it with sound waves? How does that work?
No. EXOMIND utilizes a technology called TMS. It's transmagnetic cranial stimulation.
Okay.
So it just sends gentle magnetic pulses to the part of the brain which is responsible for mood, behavior, cognition, and sleep. So it reestablishes the neuronal pathways, reestablishes the neuroplasticity, and improves the brain function.
So it would be good if you had like a major test or something to come and have a treatment first.
Oh yeah, anybody and everybody would benefit from EXOMIND.
Okay.
Busy moms, busy professionals, athletes, high performing corporate people, Anybody and everybody. And actually, it also helps with for people with behavior problems, cravings,
Okay.
addiction,
Oh,
anxiety, depression, poor sleep,
okay.
all of this.
And that's EXOMIND.
That's EXOMIND.
So you have EMSCULPT here,
Uh-huh.
EXOMIND, and you have one other thing here.
EMSCULPT NEO, that's for the body.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So that's when, instead of getting a tummy tuck, maybe
Yes,
you can
yes.
like,
We're just
tighten things up.
sculpting and toning the muscles.
And it works for arms, legs, midriff.
It works for the abs,
Okay.
your core,
Okay.
and then we can lift your glutes.
Okay.
We can work on your biceps, triceps, quads, any part of the body.
It often takes less time than actually going to the gym, correct?
Oh yeah, even if you went to gym regularly, you won't be able to achieve what we do with our technology here. So you're getting 20,000 crunches in 30 minutes.
20,000 crunches.
20,000 crunches,
30 minutes.
supramaximal contractions of the abs. You improve your core strength and you burn fat at the same time.
I think it sounds wonderful.
It is awesome.
Okay, so
Yeah.
from your head to toe and fingertip to fingertip, somebody could come here and you'd be able to help them.
Of course.
Now, do you also do consultations if somebody's just like a little nervous and they're not sure what they need?
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. We always begin with a consultation. We go over with the medical history and we see if this is right for you. And then we come up with a treatment plan that just fits your needs.
So during the consultation, you can also help people discover things that might be happening, early, preventative types of things.
Yes, this is all geared towards preventive solutions, right? So, like I was saying before, age catches up on everyone, right? We all go through saggy skin, loss of tonicity in the muscles, and jaw jolts. It actually sets in very early, late 20s. People start.
Interesting.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Didn't know that.
Yeah.
And this is non-invasive, so there's no needles. There's no downtime.
There is no needle.
Okay.
No downtime. You can come in and out, go back to your routine, just like that.
So during the consultation, you'd be able to help them pinpoint what their needs might be, which is great. And once again, it's non-invasive. There's no needles. There's no downtime.
That's right.
So you'll be able to help them feel younger, look younger, more vibrant.
Feel younger, feel good, feel happy and healthy.
Lovely. And also, you also do the traditional things, implants and any type of dental procedures too.
That's right.
So
We
it's a
do-
combination of both.
We do all phases of dentistry, right from preventive dentistry to orthodontics to implants to root canals and restorative dentistry.
Wonderful. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. We had a great time. Your staff is lovely, super fun. Somebody was celebrating a birthday today, which was exciting. So thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you, Donna. It was great having you here. We really appreciate you coming out here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Well, if you're interested in this technology, please look them up online. And if you're here in Jersey City, come on in for an appointment and a consultation. I'm Donna Drake. We've been visiting with Dr. Halthore. Be well.